Expectations matter. The greatest winners in sports, business, and life have one thing in common. They set high expectations and then exceed them. MES often has a reputation as hard to justify, difficult to implement, rigid, and cumbersome for frontline workers. In contrast, critical manufacturing MES has won kudos from customers, partners, and industry analysts alike. And it keeps getting better. So ask yourself these questions and we'll show you how critical manufacturing MES V10 can deliver on these higher expectations.
Can MES help you win contracts?
Yes, and you should expect to leverage MES in this way. Showing the deep and complete data you always have at your fingertips and the real-time views of manufacturing operations impresses even the most critical auditor.
Can your MES give you the answers you need?
Yes, you should expect your MES to provide instant, clear guidance to every operator or technician when they need it. You can ensure that operators have the training and certifications they need to perform the job quickly, accurately, and with confidence.
Can MES help you solve communication problems?
Yes, you should expect your MES not only to deliver data, but also share information between users to increase utility and agility while reducing reaction time to actionable events.
Can MES streamline your team's work?
Yes, you should expect MES to enable workers to feel that the MES speeds up their work and keeps them from facing recurring problems. Clear visualization of what is happening in their area and beyond will keep operators engaged. Supervisors and managers can see the entire scope of their role in clear visual ways. And those in offices can get to the manufacturing information they need in contexts that help them.
Can MES keep up with ever-changing products and order mix?
Yes, you should expect your MES to be capable of not only mirroring, but supporting your business's innovation and agility. Expect the manufacturing operation to manage varied products with ease. The application is flexible and it should include ways to be extended with low-code yet consistent approaches. Expect the MES to handle details such as material qualification, bills of materials, processing parameters, and recipes for equipment. And expect your MES to prevent errors and report issues with new products and processes. Raise your expectations. Choose Critical Manufacturing MES V10. It is a clear leader in electronics, medical device, semiconductor, and industrial equipment manufacturing. Critical Manufacturing V10. Expect more from your MES.